I'll make you another video because the video on YouTube was a year old. So I'm gonna make you a video from 2024. Clean truck, very, very, very clean truck. Again, the only reason why it's still here is because people don't like to drive manual. Unexperienced drivers, first-time drivers, when they work for a tree company. So that's usually the problem with these trucks. I'm sure there's a lock on that, but clean chassis, good tires, let's open it up. And there you go. All right, so here we go. We're gonna turn it on. Let's wait a little bit. There you go. Beautiful engine. Cold AC. But you need that AC. Alright, so this is the only reason why I still have it right here. It's because of manual. Other than that, I wouldn't have it. But let's go check the engine. Okay, brother, I'm by myself here, so I had to do this by myself. So just want to show you everything, make sure everything works. Start raining it a little bit, but I want to put this up. At least you can see it work a little bit. I can't do both at the same time, but all right, like that. And there it is all the way up. Hopefully this helps you a little bit. And there it is, completely down. Hopefully this helps you. I will let you know you're getting a great deal, great price for the truck. It's not gonna last. I just reduced it about 2 days ago. There's 3 sales guys. Any minute there is gonna be a deposit on this truck. It's either gonna go to the islands or it's gonna go to you. One of the two. But hopefully this helps you out, and you're getting a great truck, man. Let me know.